Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video on plasticity. Well, today we're going to be making a pretty cool looking sci-fi panel. But before we dive in, I just want to take a moment to thank a few people. And when I say a few, I mean a lot. First of all, my subscribers. I just realized that I've been making videos for a very long time. I started this channel in 2011 and I've made over 1,500 videos, right? And without you guys, it would all be pointless. So thank you so much. And second, I want to thank my friends at Urban, and they have been supporting my channel for years. They're not only a sponsor, they're also a group of friends, and I really appreciate them. And they're freaking good at what they do. They make very cool looking 3D urban environments. So if you want to see what they do, check out this quick promo, and then we're going to go and dive into the video, right? Here we go. All right, on with the program. So we're gonna go and get rid of this. Let's go to object mode and hit X and get rid of it. And then we're gonna start with the main panel. So let's jump to our top view. We'll grab a center rectangle, click on it, pull it out to about there. That looks good. We're gonna go and CV mode and we're gonna hit a B and we're gonna kind of bring that in. And I want that to be rounded somewhat. So that's good. And then second, we're going to kind of create an outer perimeter for this. So we're going to go and start somewhere around here. Pull that in, dip down, dip back up. I guess if you go up, it's not a dip anymore, but you get the gist, right? Okay, we're going to go over here. We're going to bring this down. Let's go in here like this. I got a rough idea of what it should look like. Nothing exact, but yeah, we'll just have some fun with it, right? So we're going to go here, and I might need to adjust that a little. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, looks good to me. All right. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to grab these CVs and shift grab these and these and these, and we're going to hit a B. And I'm wondering whether I should do a chamfer or round it over. I think rounded over looks a bit better. And there we go. Okay, clicking OK. There you have it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, face mode, grab this, pull that down, click on OK, grab this, push that up, click on OK once again. Then let's see, we're going to go and hide this. We don't need that. We're going to go to edge mode, select this, and we're going to hit bevel and not go nuts on it. I think I want this to be a chamfer. That's good. Yeah, happy with that. And then we're going to click on OK. And then we're going to go and grab this one and do something like that. All right. Quick look in perspective mode. Yeah. That's our beginning. Okay, back to orthographic. There you go. Then we're going to go and look at the general layout, so the big picture, if you will, right? We're going to jump to the top here, and I want to have kind of a display here, like some kind of LCD display, and then I want a password screen and buttons and all that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab, let's see, we'll grab a cube here, corner box, right? And we're gonna pull that out. And I'm kind of eyeballing this how big it should be. Something like this. And I'm just gonna move it. Oop. Let's try that again. My mouse has been a bit finicky lately, so yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, now we're gonna go and bring this down in here, and that looks fine by me. 0.1, negative 0.1. Okay, click on OK. There you go. Then we're going to go and chamfer that. And let's do all four. That's good. And of course, we're going to do the big chunks first and then go from there, right? So we got that. Then I want my password screen to be something similar. And let's get this nice and steady. We'll grab another one. And let's start somewhere around here. And we're going to make it a bit smaller because I want to have a number on the top there, right? So we're going to click on that. We're going to go to, not click on OK. Shoot. That's right, guys. That's about right. Then we're going to push this down. Minus 0.1. There you go. Click on OK. That's fine. And then we're going to go in here. And this I want to chamfer. Okay. So we have that. Now let's put a number up here. That's always cool, right? So we're going to go and look for text. Actually, the easier way is just to hit F on the keyboard. Text. We're going to call this S249-00019-X. You got to come up with something, right? Then we're going to hit S to scale this. We're going to hit G to move it. And let's get that up here. Move it over here a little bit. That's a little bit better alignment. Okay. Then we're going to hit a G to move the whole thing up. And what we're going to do next is go to face mode. Click on OK. Make sure you don't select the inside of the numbers. So like here, not that intersection. Okay, so we got all that. Let's bring that down like so. Click on OK. Then we're going to hit the G. Bring it all in there. That looks about right. Click on OK. And then we're going to go and click on this guy. Hit Q for Boolean. This one. And then we're going to go and click on these guys and hold down Shift. Click on OK. So that worked out fine. And then we can go and hide all these curves. And we got something looking like this. Okay, cool. Next up, we're gonna add a little detailing. And let's see, what are we gonna do first? I'm going to go in here and create a circle. And we'll put that in here. Something like this. Shift D to duplicate. That looks all right. Then we're going to go in here. We're going to take a straight line, go from here to there, right click, from here to there, right click, take a little trim tool, get rid of those. Then, oops, not trim. Then we're going to go and in edge mode, select 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit J on the keyboard to combine them. Then we're going to hit G again. And kind of align it like so. All right, click on OK. Then we're going to go to rectangular array. And let's go to the end, click here. Then I want, let's say, 8 here and only 1 there. So that looks right. Click on OK. Then we're going to grab these in face mode. Pull them up like so. Click on OK. Go to edge mode. See if that will go in one go. Yeah, it will. That's good. So we'll select the rest as well. Yeah, looks good. Quick check in perspective mode. Yeah, nice. Okay. Then let's do a little panel down here. So let's go here. We're going to take a rectangle. And I'll need to move that in a second to make it a bit longer. So that's good. Then we're going to take these. That looks about right. And what are we going to do with that? We're going to go to face mode. Hit O for offset. Bring that in a little bit. Click on OK. We'll grab this and raise it up just a tiny bit. And what else are we going to do there? We are going to, yeah, what are we going to do? Good question. What we'll do is we'll take a rectangular line and we'll create a shape something like this. I'm kind of eyeballing that, so I might need to adjust that a little bit, but it doesn't look too bad. So we're going to go and do this again. That looks good to me. Click on OK. hit G, pull them up. Then what we're going to do is click on OK. We're going to go and look for imprint. Click on this surface down there. There you go. So we got that in there. Hide all of those. So we got that. Let's see what else we're going to do. We're going to do a numpad, so to punch in a password or whatnot. So we'll do, we'll take this, we'll jump in here. That looks good. Then we're going to bring that in to about there. Grab our CVs, hit B. Let's round that over like so. Then we're gonna go to face mode, hit O for offset. That's right. Then we're going to grab this guy. We're going to raise that up just a little. Click on OK. Then, of course, we need some buttons here. So we're going to go and create one. Let's move this to this corner, like so. Then with that selected, we're going to go to a rectangular array. We're going to go to 4 in this direction and 3 in that direction, and it's still at 8 for some reason, not sure, but it doesn't matter. We'll click right there. Then this should be, there you go, 3. This should be 4. Let's pull this out. Yeah, nice. All right, so now that we have that, we're gonna shut this down. We're gonna select these faces. Pull them up like this. Then we're gonna go to edge mode. Turn off this for a second. We'll try that again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm thinking about rounding over the corners, but maybe I'm just going to leave them straight. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's leave them straight. I think that's fine. Okay, now what we need to do is create a bunch of screws, and we need to create some additional shapes, right? So let's do the shapes first. Let's go up here, excuse me. And we're going to do something like this, leave some space for the screws. So this, let's bring that down. Right, then we're going to grab this guy. That looks fine. Grab all of them. Hit B. That's pretty cool. So we'll have that. We'll hit Shift D on this guy. Looks pretty cool. Click on OK. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to select them both. So let's do this and this. G to move that up. Click on OK first. Actually, I need to do that in line mode, of course, otherwise it won't work. And there you go. And then we're going to go to imprint. We're going to select this. We're going to click on OK. We're going to go and hide these. So that looks pretty neat. Then let's see what else we're gonna do. We're gonna add the screws. Okay, so for a screw we'll take a sphere, and then we're gonna hit S to scale. We're gonna flatten that out quite a bit. Jump to this view. We're gonna grab a line, cut it in half, hit right click. Then we're going to go and hit C on the keyboard for cut. Select this guy, click on OK, go to object mode, delete the bottom. We don't need that line anymore, so we can hide that. Then we're going to go and take a rectangle. And this needs to move a little, but probably when I do that, it's gone. Yeah, that's what I thought. But it doesn't matter. We'll do this instead. It's a bit easier to manipulate. Right, so we'll do this. Then we'll turn this back on so we can see what's going on. We're going to hit G. We're going to move this a little bit. Alright, we're going to grab this guy, we're going to start to pull, then we're going to hit the tab key, sort of pulling in two directions, and there you go. And then we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to hit this guy in object mode, and we're going to hit Q for Boolean, and then we're going to click on this guy, and we're going to click on OK. We're going to go and hide this guy. Now these are going to be quite small, so if you want this to be a bit thicker, you can just select it and you can hit S to scale, and you'll get a bit of a thicker screw like so. And then you can go in here if you like and take those edges, but these are going to be very small, so this is fine, right? So we're going to jump to our top view. We're going to G, we're going to move that over here. And let's scale that down a lot. All right. And then we're gonna move that up here. We're gonna rotate it a little bit. We don't want that screw to be looking weird. Shift D to duplicate. Let's move on over here. And again, we're gonna rotate a little bit. Oop. Rotate a little bit. All right, then we're gonna take this guy, Shift D, move that down to the corner. That looks good. Rotate that a little. Let's hit Shift D again. And this is just going to take time, right? I mean, you can try to hurry it, but it doesn't work that way. All right. do some more. That looks pretty cool. Right, not bad. So we've got buttons, we got, let's see, what else are we going to do here? We're going to do 3 tiny circles down here. That's about right. Let's go in here and let's see, what are we going to do? We're going to do 1 in this direction. We're just going to take these 3 like so. Click on OK. Then we're going to hit G to move them. There's some small details that usually does the trick, right? We're going to hit G to move that up. We're going to go and grab imprint again, select this surface, click on OK, go down here and hide these. Go to face mode, 1, 2, and 3, raise them up very, very slightly. Right, so we got that. Let's see, what else can we do? What else can we do? Yeah, we've done quite a bit already. Yeah, I think we'll call it a day. I think it's, yeah. As far as inspiration is concerned, you get the idea, right? And you can add tiny details, you can add little imprinted lines, you can do so much. It looks like I need to lower my screws. So let's do that. Hit G on the keyboard, bring them down. Let's have a closer look. And there you go, right? So yeah, that's how you can approach modeling a sci-fi panel, right? Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this format as far as length is concerned. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching, right? Thank you so much, as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.